I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on constructions of angles with compass. We have extended this to include an application where we can actually draw triangles with given angles. So here is a question for you. You need to draw a triangle ABC with length AB equals to 4 centimeters, angle ABC equals to 60 degrees, and angle BAC equals to 90 degrees. So we are looking for a right angle triangle, correct? So basically you have to draw a triangle which may look like this. AB is, and at angle A, AB, something like this, right? Where the length AB is 4 centimeters. We could keep this at the bottom, right? 4 centimeters. And the angle of 90 degrees is at A. So this is A for us. And the angle at B is 60 degrees. So the other side could be kind of, that doesn't look like, right? So anyway, but this angle should be 60 degrees. So that is what you are expected to draw. So I hope it is clear. It is definitely not to the scale. I like you to draw it, but without using a protector. You have to use compass to draw the angles, right? So use the strategies which we have already seen and take this as an exercise to practice. Now here is what I would like to do. So I'll definitely use my protector, but only to draw straight lines and to verify the results. Okay, so here is my protector. We'll begin with 180 degrees as we have done all throughout. Now we need 4 centimeters between A and B. So let's mark 4 centimeters and almost at the center we'll keep this and then draw, right? So let us say 0 to 4 is what we're looking for. So let's say this is our 0 and that is our 4. So we join this 0 and 4. This compass is not very good, but anyway, we just got a line, right? So that makes point A and this is point B for us, and the distance between them we just measured was 4 centimeters. Now we need to draw angle of 90 degrees at A. How do you get 90 degrees? 90 degrees really means 180 degrees divided by 2 is 90 degrees, right? So we have to bisect this angle. So we need to bisect. Right. So let's bisect. To bisect, we'll actually make an arc here, semicircle you can say, kind of, right? So we'll make a semicircle and then we're going to increase the length of our compass and make 2 arcs. Let's make slightly bigger like this, okay, and the one from the other side. Okay, so there you go. Wherever they intersect, that actually bisects the angle. So 180 has been bisected. So if I join the point from A to the point which we have, and we'll do it with a dotted line, since we don't know exactly where the other side will cut it. So that actually gives us 90 degrees. Perfect. We can actually verify with our protector. So clearly this is 90 degrees, right? So that's how we verify. Now at B we have to construct an angle of 60 degrees. So for 60 degrees, what should we do? For 60 degrees, we'll divide 180 degrees into 3 equal parts to get 60 degrees, correct? So 180 degrees into 3 equal parts. And that is why this straight line helps. So beginning with a straight line big enough to help us construct is a good practice. So there you go, right? So 60 degrees is 1/3. So we'll actually divide this into 3 equal parts, right? This is the first one and the second and the third one, right? As you have seen earlier in our drawings, that is exactly 60 degrees. So now we can actually connect the point B with the point we already have. Okay, so that is slightly shorter than what we expected. Okay, let's increase this. Fine. So now we are going to connect from B the point and then extend it to the earlier line, the dotted line, to get a triangle, right? So if I connect this, I get one side of the triangle, the hypotenuse. Perfect. And let me connect from A to this point with a solid line now. That's the triangle which we have. Perfect. So this time we do have a 60 degrees here. What should be this angle? Can you tell me? Well, that angle should be 180 degrees minus 90 degrees and minus 60 degrees. And that is definitely 30 degrees, correct? So this angle you will get as 30 degrees. Perfect. One side is 4 centimeters. What should be the length of this side? Can you guess? So, as you see from this particular diagram, that side could be twice 4. Let's verify. So that is how you actually draw a triangle with the given dimensions. And if you do all these calculations, you will also find that the hypotenuse is almost twice base A to B, right? That is interesting to watch. That is because if I draw it on this side, I'll get an equilateral triangle. So all sides should be equal, right? So with that concept, if I have this as 4, that will be 8 centimeters, and that will also verify your results. I hope that makes it interesting and useful. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'll be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.